Good afternoon, everyone. So today we are going to have a review on how to solve problems involving Newton's law. So let's deal with this problem. An object with a mass of 8 kilograms has a net force of 4 newtons applied to it. What is the resulting acceleration of the object? So let's remember first we have to follow GRESA. So GRESA stands for the given. So what are the given? What are the quantities given during the problem? What is the required or what is being asked or what do we need to find in this problem? So what equation we will be using. Then after that, we will be showing the solution. And finally, we will be able to get the answer. So the mass in this problem is 8 kilograms, as is stated in the problem. And then we have a net force of 4 newtons. So it is very important that you identify first the given and the required. So what is being asked in this problem? So it says here in the second statement, what is the resulting acceleration of the object? So we're looking for the acceleration. Moving forward, since we know that the general equation for finding the force is the net force is equal to the product of the mass and acceleration. So in order for us to derive the equation, we either use the pyramid that I have told you, or you can divide both sides with the mass so we can isolate the acceleration. So dividing both sides with the mass, malilipat yung mass. On the other side, it will become the denominator of the force. So our equation in finding the acceleration would be the net force divided by the mass of the object. Moving forward, since I already know my equation, all I need to do is substitute the given in the following variables. So the net force is 4 newtons and the mass is 8 kilograms. So you just need to substitute it as is. So again, the net force is 4 newtons. I got this information from the given, and then the mass is 8 kilograms. I also got this from the given. So if we have substituted everything correctly, perform the operation. So in this, this is division. So we will divide 4 by 8. So to find the answer, so we divide them, it will become 0.5 meters per second squared. So make sure that you use your calculator if you cannot, if you don't want to feel the hassle of dividing numbers, especially with this one. This is in a fraction. The numerator is less than the denominator, so it would be difficult for you. So to help you, you may use any calculator that you have. So eventually or finally, we will get the the unit meters per second squared. But how were we able to get this unit? Let us remember that kilogram meters per second squared is equivalent to Newton. So given that acceleration, if you notice, we have Newton here in the numerator, so it will become kilogram meters per second squared. So kilogram meters per second squared divided by kilogram from 8 kilograms. So if we divide both, we will be able to remove the kilogram unit and we will be left with the meters per second squared. So we did not guess the unit of measurement, but instead we were able to find meters per second squared isolated because the kilograms has been eliminated. So moving forward, lastly, we have the resulting acceleration is 0.5 meters per second. So this is how we were able to solve this problem. If you have any questions, kindly send me a message. That would be all.